This video's content is taken from the Candle Chemistry textbook published by Candle Publishers. Understanding the properties of the three states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases is fundamental to the high school chemistry syllabus. Each state has distinct characteristics that arise from the arrangement and behavior of its particles. Here is a detailed explanation of the topic properties of the three states of matter, which is asked in the learner's examinations. Number 1. Solids. In solids, particles are closely packed together in a fixed and orderly arrangement. This structure results in a definite shape and volume. The particles in a solid vibrate at fixed positions, but do not move freely. This limited movement contributes to the rigidity of solids. Solids are generally incompressible due to the closeness of their particles. Applying pressure does not significantly change their volume. Solids typically have a higher density than liquids and gases because their particles are tightly packed. Here are common examples of solids, which include metals like iron, nonmetals like sulfur, and ionic compounds like sodium chloride. Here are a few. Everyday examples of solids are: ice cubes keep their shape in a drink. Wooden furniture resists deformation, providing a sturdy structure. Number 2. Liquids. In liquids, particles are still close together, but are arranged more randomly than in solids. This allows them to flow and take the shape of their container while maintaining a definite volume. Particles in a liquid can move past one another, allowing liquids to flow. They have more kinetic energy than solids, but less than gas ones. Liquids are slightly compressible. However, this property is much less pronounced than in gases due to the relatively close packing of liquid particles. Liquids generally have lower densities than solids, but higher densities than gases. For example, water is denser than air, but less dense than most metals. Here are some common examples of liquids, which include water, oil, alcohol, etc. Here are a few everyday examples of liquids. Water flows to fill the shape of a glass, and cooking oil spreads evenly in a pan. Number 3. Gases. In gases, particles are far apart and do not have a regular arrangement. This spacing allows gases to expand and fill any available space. Gas particles move freely at high speeds in all directions, resulting in high kinetic energy compared to solids and liquids. Gases are highly compressible because there is a lot of empty space between particles. When pressure is applied, gas volume decreases significantly. Gases have low density because their particles are spread over a larger volume than solids and liquids. Here are some common examples of gases, including oxygen, O2, carbon dioxide, CO2, and nitrogen, N2. Here are a few everyday examples of gases. Air fills a balloon regardless of its shape. The smell of perfume spreads through a room due to gas diffusion. Understanding these properties helps explain various physical phenomena observed in everyday life and industrial applications, such as material selection for construction or manufacturing processes based on state-specific characteristics. In conclusion, understanding the properties of the three states of matter helps explain phenomena like melting ice, boiling water, and inflating tires. The change between states, such as freezing, melting, boiling, and condensation, is important to refrigeration, cooking, and climate studies. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. If you want more notes and questions about this topic, visit our website, www.teachmeexams.com. Our next topic for high school chemistry will be a video about the kinetic molecular model of matter. Thanks for watching.